These are the products under GOVAN project made in Goa, efforts promoted by Goa State Biodiversity Board using local farm products, horticultural, agricultural products, which I am endorsing. The design and everything, process, product, everything is highly standardized, and that's why these locally manufactured products, which help the local people, stakeholders, producers, who grow these in their backyard in different villages. They have been brought together for this preservation, processing and packaging of these different and interesting products like Avla candy, Avla supari. We have banana chips, cashew nuts. We have here ragi, which you hardly get these days in market. We have the very ancient 4000 years old salt resistant Korgut rice variety. We have mango pickle. We have coconut oil, which is wooden cold pressed. We have nutmeg candy. We have GOVAN, here lemongrass ginger powder. We have bay leaf powder, and we have turmeric powder. So we have here in this video, we have shown you about 12 products. There are many more, and they are available at different stores in Goa under GOVAN brand. This brand has been developed by Goa State Biodiversity Board, which may be the only biodiversity board in entire country, India, which has encouraged such type of cooperative activity of the stakeholders at rural level, so that they come together and under this logo, you can see here all the details. There is FSSAI registration for all. They have done very good standardization. All the details are included on the product label. Price is also indicated. They are all affordable. In fact, cheaper than many of these which are marketed in the superstores and malls. So we have here a very interesting pioneering type of initiative in India and Asia in government sector in PPP mode, where local stakeholders who are actually custodians of the local biodiversity, agro-biodiversity, horticultural biodiversity, farmers, small plantation owners, they all get some income from these products. And this is one of the model for the rest of the country that Goa can showcase under Goa State Biodiversity Board. And a lot of these initiatives have been made possible through the very active and dynamic chairman of our Goa State Biodiversity Board, that is the Minister Nilesh Cabral, as well as the member secretary Dr. Pradeep Sarmukadam, who conceived these ideas. And at Surla also and Kurtorem, they have installed the necessary machinery with private sector support, and lots of rural women are gainfully employed in these centers to produce these products, which are showcased, exhibited before you, so that you can promote them, and also purchases of these products made in Goa products by local consumers and tourists will definitely put some money in the pockets of our villagers who are real custodians of our local biodiversity. So by linking economic enterprises and employment opportunities with biodiversity, especially all sorts of these medicinal plants, coconut, banana, you see cashew, then ragi, mango, nutmeg, lemongrass, and the gooseberry, that is Avla, Indian gooseberry, all these indicate that there is a lot of scope, there is a lot of potential for processing and packaging of such products in state like Goa, which is rich in biodiversity. I appeal the people of Goa as well as the tourists to patronize these products in a big way, so that Goa can create large volumes of sale, and the money has trickle down effect. It reaches to the last person in the production chain, and they benefit and they are encouraged to conserve, preserve and protect and promote the local biodiversity, take larger crops and process them and pack them in this type of very nice and beautiful packages. And all of these have the necessary food safety certification, so people can be assured that not only quality but this is a great value for money which they will get. At the same time, the message for conservation of the biodiversity and linking it with people's employment will go a long way to give this message from the state of Goa to the rest of the world, that Goans are quite capable of managing their biodiversity and also promoting such very, very tasty products. So on my behalf, I strongly recommend these. I am going to taste now all these products one by one, and then there will be series of videos which will be posted on my YouTube channel, which will tell the people about the quality and also how each of the product has been used, and that would add more information to the knowledge base of local biodiversity, because Goans make large number of recipes from different types of locally grown species. And we have seen here the banana chips are locally made. Then there is something novel called nutmeg candy, which may be unique in India. So all these products hold hope for the future as climate change impacts our entire agricultural base. We get disasters like flooding, famine, drought, erratic rainfall. So we need to create now new economic and employment support systems, and Goa State Biodiversity Board, within its limited resources, is trying to reach out to as many people as possible, the local village level stakeholders, by giving them this model of value addition in food processing. And I am personally very happy, because this is the way our state Goa should advance. And not only we should have an academic approach to biodiversity, but also a practical approach which will be beneficial to local communities who will come forward in a big way for producing such products and making this GOVAN model very successful. I wish Goa State Biodiversity Board the best in their efforts to diversify these products and market them in all the talukas of Goa, and perhaps nationally as well if they reach that level of production. Because definitely in metropolitan cities of India, big cities like New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Bengaluru, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, I am very sure that these Goan products will have good customers, and that would also be brand positioning of the state of Goa in the field of cultural tourism and biodiversity tourism as well. People would be attracted to visit Goa because they will know that these products are produced here, and that would also create a new model of biodiversity based tourism as well. So these products are before you, and it is left to the consumers now to decide what they would like to buy and take home. All the best.